Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarun the Vagabond. I am Tarun. I am basically from Orissa, the southern part of Orissa, a place called Jaipur. I am in Delhi NCR since 2012, and before this I was in Hyderabad for 8 years. By profession, I work in an MNC in the research and analytics division for a pharmaceutical company based at UK. About my hobbies, I love traveling. I love making new friends. I basically love to be in India and explore different parts of India because it has a rich culture and it has a variety of traditions, then different people in different regions. So it varies widely. That's why I love to be in India and I love to explore different parts of India. I have deleted a word called impossible from my dictionary and I'm very adventurous. I love to travel a lot, make new friends, and about my life, yes, I have a family of three members. They are the apple of my eye. My son, who is now 13 plus, his name is Anshuman, my wife Sumita, and my mom. We all live together in Gurgaon, and that's all about me, my life, my hobbies, and my profession. Now, let's get started about the travel itinerary for the series that we are planning. We are just planning to touch 7 states in India this time, and it's a long series coming soon. So, we will be touching UP, you will be touching MP, you will be touching Maharashtra, then Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. I may not be taking you to different places, or might be all the places in these states, but the places where we can go easily and we can spend some time. I'll try to show you those places, the main places which is famous for that particular region. So let's get the brief itinerary about the travel series this time. So we are traveling in the month of November, December, and we would be covering almost like 5,000 kilometers, which is a very long distance, and it's a family trip. So along with my family, I also consider you as my family member. So I'll be taking you to the journey along with us, and I'll try to capture the snaps. I'll try to capture the videos so that we all can view it together and enjoy it in future, right? And apart from that, in terms of cost, yes, we are expecting close to like 50K, uh, which is quite reasonable for a trip of like 23 days. That's what we are expecting. So we were starting in the mid to end of November, and we will be like coming back early December. That's the best time to travel, and because might be in Delhi it is very low temperature, but in other parts of India it's quite warm. So that's why we prefer to be traveling during this period, right? Apart from this, let me check what else I can tell you about. Yes, number of places that we would be covering, almost 16 places that we have identified so far. I'll give you one by one about that. The different types of terrains that we would be covering is like valleys, plains, and we would be covering rough road, off road, and hilly areas, mountains, and also we would be covering waterfalls, rivers, everything. So it would be an exciting journey. So be with us and enjoy the trip. And about the places, yes, let me give you the list. I don't remember everything like readily. So we would be starting from Gwalior, from Gurgaon. We would be going through Agra to Gwalior. We would be spending some time in the Gwalior fort. Then we would be traveling to Jhansi. I would try to give you some glimpses of the Jhansi fort, Then we would be staying in Orcha as per our plan. We haven't decided about which resort or which hotel to be booked for our stay in the night. Then from Orcha, we will start our second day, and we will try to reach Raipur, which is in Chhattisgarh. And from Raipur, again, we will be going to a waterfall called Chitrakoot waterfall, and there is another waterfall called Tirathgad waterfall, which is in Chhattisgarh itself. Post that, we will be going to Jagdalpur. From Jagdalpur to Sukma, which is in Sukma, I think is very popular for the Naxal attacks. So most of you must be aware about this place, because we have been listening in news channels about the attacks on the CRPFs and the policemen. So that's how Sukma. And from Sukma, we will be traveling to Malkangiri on the third day. From Malkangiri, we will be traveling again to Jaipur, which is a place almost like 100 kilometer from there. That's my place where I was born and brought up, and I completed my studies till my plus 2. So I have my college over there. From those are the base locations that we would be preferring, Malkangiri and Jaipur, because from Jaipur and Malkangiri we have the places nearby which we will be exploring. And those places are like Chitrakonda, which is again a hilly area, and there is a dam, and also power plant, the hydroelectric power station is there. It's also very risky, because that is also one of the Naxal prone area, or that's why it's highly secured by the CRPF and the policemen. And from Chitrakonda, there is an inner place which is called Janbai. Yeah, there is a setu, or a bridge, that was recently inaugurated by Chief Minister of Orissa, because after multiple attacks by Naxals, this was finally completed last year, and it was inaugurated by our Chief Minister. So I'll show you that bridge, and there is a hanging bridge over there in the Janbai, in the southern part of Orissa, which is like the border area between Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. From Jaipur, again, we will go to a place called Deomali. That is a hill station kind of a thing. So at Deomali, we will show you the great view. It's like a very good view. We always think that Kashmir is the best place to have this kind of natural view, or Himachal, or the Uttarakhand. But in Orissa also there are places which gives us great view. So we will try to explore Deomali, which is also a beautiful place. From Jaipur, again, there is a place called Duduma waterfall, which is known as also the Machkund waterfall. It is also a hydroelectric power station, because of the Machkund dam that is created there. There is a beautiful waterfall which is huge, and people from different corners of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh go to this place to view this magnificent waterfall, which is known as the Duduma waterfall. Then crossing Machkund or Duduma waterfall, we will go to Araku Valley, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So Araku Valley is beautiful valley. It is also called as the Valley of Flowers. So a lot of film shoots happen for South Indian movies there, and it has a tea plantation. Then it has a tribal museum there, and also there is a famous Bora cave, which is one of the oldest and one of the biggest caves, natural caves in India. So we are trying to cover all these places, and while returning we will also try to make some adventurous trip. We will take you to a jungle road through Dantawada, which is also a famous place because of the news that comes of the Naxal attacks on CRPFs and policemen. And I just wanted to explore this place because I have been hearing this news channels, and I am living just close to this place. It's almost like 200 kilometer from my home place, which is Jaipur. So I want to explore because I got a chance this time. So I'll be returning to Raipur. So I am just choosing this path, although it is bit risky, but I want to show you guys as well that how adventurous it is to travel through these ways. I'm expecting this trip would be really adventurous, and this would be really exciting because we would be touching seven different states in India, and we are trying to cover the major sites in these particular states. And there are like very popular sites in Orissa which are unexplored, and really I haven't seen these sites anybody covering in YouTube, so I'm trying to explore them. And yeah, of course, that would give you an opportunity to the information about how to reach, and what all equipments to be carried, and which route to be followed to reach to these destinations. So that would be really helpful. So stay tuned, and if you really like my videos, share, subscribe, and like my videos. And please remember my YouTube channel. I need your support. My YouTube channel is Tarun the Vagabond. So thank you so much for watching, and keep waiting for the series that's coming soon. So thank you so much again, and see you soon.